and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Ashley. So today's video is going to be just like the title. This is going to be my January unboxing. It's a little late, I've been super busy, but here we are. So if this is something that interests you, definitely just keep on watching. And if you would like to sign up for BOXYCHARM, I will have a link down below. I don't get paid or anything like that. You'll just receive an extra product in your box if you do sign up. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. This month's box, this is the $25 box. This is just the base box. I don't have like anything else or whatever. So this is just the simple base box. I already opened it and saw what's inside. As you can see, I created this look using that palette. So let's go ahead and get started. I recently hear that Ipsy bought out BOXYCHARM, so I wonder how that's going to change. I wonder if we're going to get to see different brands or whatever the case may be. I don't know. So let's just hope that in the future things get a little bit better, because that's pretty cool, pretty interesting. So this is the card we got this month, and it is called, well, the theme is Fresh Start, which is pretty appropriate, you know, brand new year. Let's just all have a breather, fresh start. So if you did not know, this comes in your box every month, and it just has like a little description of each product and like their prices and stuff like that. So the first thing I'm going to grab, this is the Pharmacy Deep Sweep Pore Cleaning Toner with moringa and papaya. So that's what it looks like. I did use this in the try on part. I will have a timestamp up here for you guys if you just want to go ahead and skip to that. So yeah, this has no alcohol, and it says it gently exfoliates. It is glass, so you do want to be careful where you store this, but what I do like about it is that it comes with like a little stopper. So this little thing right here you do take out, so you know, if it does fall, it doesn't really come out. So I like that, especially with having children around. Ciate London, this is the Velvet palette. So this is a 12 pan palette, and this is cruelty free. So once we open it, this is what it looks like. I love the color, like this mauvey pink color. This is so beautiful. Like, I'm obsessed with this color, and it's really like soft and velvety, which is appropriate for the name. And this is what it looks like. Let me turn it this way so I don't blind you guys with the mirror, but this is what it looks like. So you have 12 eyeshadow palettes. You have a little bit of shimmers and mattes. If you would say, do I love this palette? I guess it's okay. It's workable. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. I am going to play with it a little bit more. I did use more of like the pinky peachy tones for this look. I won't say it's my favorite. Will I use it again? Yeah, because I'm going to use it. But other than that, I don't know. It's not really something that calls my attention. It is beautiful though, but it's just not my style. Like, if you guys have been following me, you know I'm really into like colorful looks and stuff like that. So this is just more of like the neutral side for me, but it is pretty. I do like the outside, so I felt like it was a little bit misleading because I was expecting more of like this type of color, you know what I mean? And just when you like go into that, I don't really get that, but maybe that's just me. Let me know how you guys feel about that. So this right here retails for $30. So $30 for 12 eyeshadows. I don't know. I would much rather go to like ColourPop, I guess, you know. The next thing we have here, I also use this on the try on haul. This is the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. So this, guys, this right here, this retails for $33. Like, I'm just gonna be real with you. Like, thank you for sending it in my box, but man, what did I say? 33? Yeah, $33 for this. Like, $33 for a lip balm is a bit extreme. It's a bit much, but to each his own. I definitely wouldn't purchase it, but I am going to use it. And yeah, so there's that. Thing I got in my box is this Laura Geller High Def Glow. This is the Illuminator Duo in Heart of Gold. So it is really cute because to travel with, it has a little mirror, so it's cute for that purpose. I do have it on today. I don't know if it's picking up on camera for you guys, but I did kind of mix both of them together. So you have like a light champagne gold and a little bit more of like a more potent gold. So I just kind of mixed them both together, and that is what I got. But like I said, for traveling, I think this is like perfect. It's small, compact, it comes with a mirror. You get two highlights where you can kind of, you know, use them however you want. You can definitely use this as an eyeshadow too, so you know, it's like a win-win situation. And the last item in my box is from Dr. Brandt. So this is the Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. So there's this. This retails for $82, which, like, I almost fainted when I saw that price. I was like, $82 for what? For 0.5 ounces? Like, yeah, no, it's a no. It's a no for me. But, so this is what it looks like. Very small. To me, to spend this type of money on an eye cream, I think is just, it's like insane, because to be honest, I feel like eye creams are like just a big gimmick. I feel like they don't really do anything. Like, okay, maybe they moisturize your under eye, but I don't feel like they do anything as far as like diminish fine lines, dark circles, puffiness. Like, I don't feel like they really live up to that standard. You get sent them, of course, thank you, I will use them, but I don't really feel like I will go out and purchase eye creams just because I don't really necessarily believe in them. But okay, so this and everything are like on my chin. I blame it on the mask, because yeah, that's from the mask. Okay, so jumping into the palette, I'm holding it upside down, but I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to use a fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use that and apply that in the crease. And I'm just going to build it up as I go. So I'm going to keep grabbing some more, just to the intensity that I like. Okay, so that's pretty much what I have going on right now. Now I'm going to intensify it just a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and grab this color right here using the same brush. Okay, now I'm going to dip into some concealer. You can use any concealer you want. And I'm just going to kind of clean up the lid space. I'm going to take another brush, just a flat eyeshadow brush like this, and I'm going to go into this color up top, which is like a champagne kind of pinky gold color. We're gonna try that one first. It's okay, but it's not my favorite. Okay, so I'm gonna try a different color. I'm gonna go into this one right here. I think I'm gonna do, I don't know if I should do the like shimmery purple or the matte purple. I'm gonna do the matte purple. So we're gonna go into this one down here. I'm gonna take that same brush and I'm gonna apply it on the outer corner. So right over here, I'm just gonna kind of pack that on. And we're gonna bring it inwards just slightly. About like 3/4 in. Okay. And I'm doing this just because I always like a little bit more like definition with my eye looks. But if you wanted to like skip that, you know, you can just do the shimmery all over. And skip the dark outer corner. Okay, so then I'm going to flip the brush to the clean side. And I'm going to go back into that shimmery color. And I'm just going to kind of mesh the two together, just so we get rid of that harsh line of demarcation. So just like that. See how it kind of just makes it blend in together? Let me zoom you guys in. So just like that, and it just blends both of the colors together. And then as I need to, I just go add a little bit more, you know, because sometimes when you do that, you kind of fade one color, so you just want to go back and add more. Just go back and forth, just like that. Okay, then I'll go back in with my fluffy blending brush and just go back into that like peachy color one more time and just kind of run it right on the crease. And we're gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna go ahead and add some mascara and add some lashes, and then we'll continue. Okay, so we kind of finished up the eyes, but I do have a lot of fallout and a lot of stuff on my face, so I'm gonna go ahead in with the Deep Sweep toner just to kind of clean everything up. I'm gonna give it a little shake. Okay, it has a little, like a little topper on it, which is nice. I'm over here trying to squeeze and I forgot it's a glass bottle. Okay, so a lot of it doesn't come out at the one time, which is good. So I'm going to just kind of clean up. It smells really nice, like a fresh smelling toner. And the lashes I have, they're from a previous BOXYCHARM. I think my November one or October one, I'm not sure. But these are the magnetic lashes. I've never used magnetic lashes, you guys, and I love them. Like, they're easy to put on. I feel like one is a little wonky. I just gotta kind of mess with it a little bit, but it was so easy to put on. If you have trouble with lashes, I definitely recommend it. And it came with the magnetic eyeliner, so it really was easy to apply. So I'm gonna go ahead in with the lip balm just before I apply lipstick. So let's go ahead and apply some. It tastes good. Probably shouldn't be eating it, but at least it tastes good. So if it gets in your mouth, you know, it tastes good. Now, I don't know if it's healthy or not, but it does taste good. It's like a regular schmegular lip balm. Like, for the price, it's a no, but it feels like something I can get like from the chapstick brand, or like Nivea or something like that, like, or even Vaseline. Like, it doesn't feel all that special, to be honest. Before I finish my face, I am going to use the Dr. Brandt's eye cream now. I'm not really a fan of eye creams. I mean, if I get them, I'll use them, but I'm not like, oh, I need to go out and buy me an eye cream, because I just feel like it's a gimmick. I don't feel like they really work or do anything. So I'm just gonna apply the tiniest amount, and I'm gonna use my ring finger. And the reason I'm using my ring finger is because it's your most delicate finger. So around your eyes, you want to be really delicate. So probably should have done one eye at a time to see if there was like any difference, but I highly doubt that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my face, and then we'll finish this video. So that completes this BOXYCHARM video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Bye guys.